So price gapped up here 200 plus points since Friday's close. So we need to see if this likely to pull back towards previous week's point of control here. Massive gap up. Let's see how this can be traded. So basically gave it a consorted 76, the scale out here already at 61s. We need to see if this can be sustained here or if it has some kind of pullback towards previous weekly value high. Of course, market celebrated Macron lead on French elections, so let's see a little bit the bigger picture here. We need to see generally if this has a pullback here, then if it's getting bought. This is way overextended here since Friday's close. Let's see if this is a great short trade here. Okay, hello everyone. So as you probably aware, price gapped up here 200 plus points since Friday's close due to Macron leading the French elections, which is Euro positive. So initially we had a sell-off here and market now just trending above volume weighted average price. Need to see if this will be strong enough to extend all the way up to all-time highs here. It's already overextended, but we need to see. I gave it a few short positions at the open here, straight at the open here, and scale out lower, then shorted VWAP up and 90s area and another short at 98s, although cautiously we need to see at the cash open here how price will behave, if it will rip straight up here or if it will give any kind of sign of balancing. Generally, if we see the daily chart here, since we held support the previous week, this very nice rally, now price is 400 points higher here since this low, so we need to see if this can extend up to the swing high 390s perhaps. See what does there if it double tops or if it goes straight through. Also, if we see euro dollar here, you can see gapped up above 109 and dampened here, failed to extend higher. So the more lower euro dollar goes, the better for DAX to go higher. So we need to see if this rally can be sustained here. So price broke above initial balance high here for a few seconds, although as soon as saw this failing immediately added another short at 07, scale out first target for this short, still holding short, average price 83s though. So let's see if this failure will be sustained and we see a very nice move down to initial balance low. Otherwise, as I said earlier, this will just trend higher and higher here and generally balancing sideways slightly, although this is very overextended. So shorted here at 307s at the cash open, also shorted earlier here at 90s or so. Let's see how this can be traded now. Scale our second target here from short at 07s. So price held the pullback here, now again resistance at initial balance high. Need to see, this is looking strong here, not even pulling back like 30 points or so. So we need to see this will eventually head all the way up towards 400s here. This is looking very strong. Let's see. So price straight up here, give it a go and shorted 41s for a short-term pullback here. This is heavily straight out towards all-time highs now. Not sure if this can be traded towards the short side here, but it's okay. I'm putting averaging the position slightly here to see if it can go straight up towards all-time highs. See the first target here, 31s from 41s short, although if this pullbacks down towards 300s and volume weighted average price will be good short trade here. As said earlier, this is heavily towards the upside, though you need to see if the pattern will have today. It's sideways flagging, then higher, then sideways flagging, then higher here. sometime during, not sure if today or during this week, this will pull back down here. These two stretch towards the upside. Let's see. Scalar second profit target here from the short, nice here, caught it at the bounce higher. So we need to give this some time to see if it goes down towards 300s here. Key level to see if this level fails, we'll see a very nice dip down towards initial balance low. Of course, as soon as this happens, price remains in an uptrend here, but let's see, key level 300s here. So price straight through initial balance high here, I'll scale out. Third part of this short trade, very nice, from 41s down to 7s. So now have a few more short trades here inside the initial balance to see if you can scale them out at the initial balance low, then eventually towards previous weekly high here. Let's see if this will happen, because price, the more remains above VWAP, the more in an uptrend will remain. Let's see if this fails here or if it holds support once again. So price held once again support here inside the initial balance. Now trading towards the high. Need to see if another retest here will be sustained and goes higher, or if it's a good area to go one short again here. So price attempting to break out to new highs here. If we see the 30-minute Bollinger Band, you can see generally this is continuously going towards the high side. So let's give some time to see how the retest of previous high here will play out. Also we have all-time highs, 60 points or so. Give it a go and short it 58 here. Need to see if price will slightly pull back from this level. Scale out first target 10 points at 48 from 58 short here. Need to see if this will pull back towards 20s or so. So here we are now into the cash trading already. If you have a look, the short-term picture here on the 15-minute chart, you can see basically this gap up today in price rallied straight up for 2 hours now, like 100 points further from plastic gap here. So we have a swing high here at 88. Need to see, this is the previous closest retest towards all-time highs above 400s here. So we would like to see what price will do there, and if it rips straight through towards all-time highs, we'll give it a go and go short at this level here at 390s, 400s level. Of course today this might remain a strong uptrend, but generally it can pull back sometime during the week, so cautiously looking at this level here. Okay, so here we're 3 hours later, you can see basically price just took me out here. Wasn't on the screen to scale out first 10 points, then flatten another 10, 1-to-1 risk reward here. So we sorted here at 07s again, allow this to go against me. Now we need to see if we continue towards the highs, what we will do at the half of the day, or if you have a nice pullback down towards volume weighted average price. So here we are a couple of minutes after the European cash will close. You can see generally today massive risk on trade here since Friday's lows, 350, almost 400 points higher here, way out to all-time highs. So we see the bigger picture to see where we are here in terms of the daily chart. You can see we just expanded further upside from 2015 all-time highs here. So we need to see if this can be sustained here. Of course we can see a couple of days now continuation of this rally, although after big days we tend to have balanced days. Of course this gap sometime will be filled here, price will reverse here to see if it goes towards the gap fill down 400 points already. This happens within 8 hours of trading here, so cautiously to see if this is a great short opportunity, at least for the short term pullback. If you would subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service, which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this.